Hey, what's up YouTube? This is gonna be a real quick video. So I just wanted to kind of show what's coming up. My kid just bought a car, and I'm gonna do a review on it. So also I got a little cool gadget that actually he bought. It's the Blackview dash cam. That's about a $400 dash cam. And here's what it kind of looks like. Right now I'm like in the process of setting it up and all that good stuff. But I just want to do kind of a quick video because I know my videos haven't been coming lately much. So I'm trying to get my channel a little active when I can. But here's what the camera looks like. So it is a front and rear camera. Here's the rear part. Like I said, I haven't set it up yet. I'm kind of setting up as I go. There's a lot of great reviews on this camera. So I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on it as soon as I can. But here's what it looks like, and I'll give you a walk around the car real quick. This is just going to be real quick. There you go, quick walk around. Just picked it up yesterday. But, this is what it looks like, and so far it's a nice little car there. Front shot. There you go. I'm gonna show you the miles real quick. It's got 56 miles on it now. But when we bought it, it only had about 8 miles. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I got some stuff coming with this dash cam and with the vehicle, and yeah, stay tuned, guys.